How to download ChatGPT Mac app for free. The very first thing you want to do is to access the installer. What you want to do is move into the first link that I have provided in the description below. This will take you to the installer for ChatGPT on Mac. Now the next step is to download or install. Once you click on the link, you will install a DMG file. Simply double click on the files to install it. Now what you want to do is simply drag the ChatGPT and drop it in the applications. Now the next step is to sign in into your ChatGPT app. You will prompt it to sign in with your email, your Google account, or even your phone number. Choose your preferred method and follow the prompts. Once you have signed in into your account, you will be able to use this application and then can get more knowledge and ideas about anything. Well, the next thing you should know that it is actually not available for Windows. As of now, it's only available for Mac OS. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can download ChatGPT to Mac app. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.